Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a logo into your video clips on VLC Media Player. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to VLC Player and start or open your video clip by clicking into Media and then open File in the top left. As you can see, I'm using this video clip for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do next is navigate to Tools here at the top and select Effects and Filters. Next, click into the Video Effects card, then select the Overlay card. And here guys, make sure that you select Add a Logo. As you can see, I've inserted my logo or the channel logo already. So what you will need to do is click into the checkbox. That's step number one. Step number two, click into these three dots here to navigate to the logo as in JPEG or PNG file format on your device. So you'll need to go there, upload it, and then it will be positioned on default in the top left corner. So how can you move it? Well, you can, for example, use these buttons below, top and left, for example, to adjust its position. So if you click into that arrow up icon, it will be moved to the bottom, and vice versa if you click into that arrow down button. Now, of course, you can enter the value here like 700px, for example, and then it would be moved to this position, and do the same for the x-axis, not only the y-axis. So again, 700px, and that is going to move the logo to this position. And then guys, lastly, what you want to do is also adjust the opacity here, right? If you'd like to make it transparent, like a logo or watermark, and then move it to the bottom right corner of your video clip, for example, to show that, that's the logo of the channel or of the videos. Yeah, and that's it. So after that, click into Save, Close, and as you can see, the logo has been positioned here, and that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.